Hi friends, it's Barry, and let's solve this geometry puzzle together. So we have a square here, and inside the square there's another square, and the smallest square in the middle is surrounded by four right-angled triangles, where the base of the right-angled triangles is 4x, and its height is x. So notice that the lengths here, they are in terms of x, and our job is to find the side length of the square in terms of x as well. So let me label the diagram a little bit. So this is 4x, and we have, actually no, that's not 4x because 4x is the base. So here that is 4x, and then this is x, which is the height. So let me write out 4x's on the sides. Okay. So now we can see that the overall square has side length 4x, okay? Now, let's think about the area of the bigger square. Well, since we know that the area, the side length is 4x, so the area, okay, of the bigger triangle, the bigger square, must be 4x squared, okay, which is just 16x squared, okay? So with that out of the way, I want to find the expression for the inner square. So how do we do that? Well, we know the inner square is the area of the bigger square minus the four triangles, okay? And we already found the area of the bigger square, which is 16x squared. So let me highlight the smaller squares, the smaller triangles in another color, in yellow. So how do we find the area of one triangle? Well, remember that the area of a triangle has formula half times the base and the height. The base here is 4x, and the height is x. So we have a half multiplied by 4, so that is 2, and then we have x times x, which is just x squared. So here we have 16x squared minus 4 times 2x squared. Okay. So like that. Yep. So 4 times 2 is 8. So we have 16x squared minus 8x squared. Finally, we know this to be 8x squared. So we now know that the area of the square in the middle has area 8x squared. So we can reverse engineer and find the side length of the square. Let's say the side length is s. We know s times s equals 8x squared. So to find s, we just have to take square roots on both sides. So here, the square root of 8 multiplied by the square root of x squared. So the square root of a we know to be 2 root 2, and the square root of x squared is x. So this is the side length of the square in the middle. And that's our answer. I hope you liked this video. If you learned something new, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.